Welcome to Nepal National Single Window video training. This video shows the procedure for application of recommendation letter for export of minerals from Department of Mines and Geology. In your desktop or laptop, open Nepal National Single Window in a browser. Click on Online Submission and then on License Permit Certificate and Others. If the login page appears, enter your PAN number and password to login. Under Operations menu, click on New LPCO. To apply for the export recommendation letter, you will have to fill the form under the tabs shown. In Header tab, under Type of LPCO field, select 924 DMG. In User Reference Number, you can edit the system-generated code to enter your own code which can be used to search this application letter. Request number, request date, approval reference, approval date, valid from and valid to fields will get auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. In Country of Destination field, select the country where the goods are to be exported. In Exit Point field, select the Customs Office from where the goods will exit. Select the purpose of export of the minerals. For commercial purpose, select your valid mining license number in this field. For academic research, provide the name and address of the carrier company. For commercial research purpose, enter the carrier company information and select your valid prospecting license. Here you can see the rules and regulations of agency. Proceed to Name and Parties tab. Type the company name and address of the receiver. Enter your email in the company email field to receive email updates of the application status. These two fields above are optional and has to be filled as per an agency's requirement. Proceed to Items tab. Click on plus button to add an item. In Commodity Code field, enter the HS code of the item by typing the digit of the code. Select the code from the system suggested list. The commodity description of the selected HS code can be seen. In Commercial Description field, type the commercial name of the item as mentioned in the invoice. Enter the name and address of the manufacturer company. In Package Number and Type, select the type of package from the list and type the related number. In Package Marks, enter the marks on the package of the item. Here, only one of the fields is mandatory. Enter the amount or quantity to be requested in unit of measurement according to the selected HS code or in net mass or in gross mass. The approved quantity will be entered by the agency. Under Product Specifications, for commercial purpose of export, enter the production date of the mineral item. For other purposes, this information is not required. Click on Add button. The first item has been added as seen in the table. To add another item, click on the plus button again and fill in the form in the same way as shown before and then click on Add. Similarly, add other items with different HS code. To view the added item details, click on the eye icon. To edit the item details, click on the pen icon. To remove the item, click on the bin icon. After adding all the items, proceed to the Attach Document tab. For commercial purpose of export, scan copy of commercial invoice has to be uploaded. To upload the scan file, click on Add New Attachment. In code, type 200 and select Commercial Invoice option. Enter the invoice number in the reference number field. Select the invoice date in date field. Click on the File field to browse and upload the scan copy of the invoice. Click on Add button. For academic research, scan copy of pre-permission letter has to be uploaded. For commercial research purpose, scan copy of prospecting license has to be uploaded. In Fees tab, the fee for the recommendation letter application can be seen. This fee has to be paid after the application is processed from the agency. Clicking on the Store button will save this application as a draft and you can submit it at a later date. Clicking on the Submit button will submit this application to the agency for further processing. Click on Yes button on the confirmation pop-up window. The application has been submitted successfully. You will receive email notification on the email entered under Name and Parties tab. The latest application status and related work process from the agency can be seen in the Query and Notification tab. Here, request message can also be sent to the agency when required. You can download Web Tracker mobile app to get notifications on latest status update of your application.